Alright, so pour 2 RIMAC Day 3 in Vehicle Legends. If you didn't know, last time I got in the Porsche 911 GT3Rs. Let's go check some cars to choose from. Also, my goal is to get 2 million today. I'ma pick a car that I like, and I will let you know soon.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I just picked a car, and it's the Porsche 911 GT2Rs. This car looks beautiful, not gonna lie. I heard that this is one of the best cars under 1 million. I have right now 2 million, so I'ma buy a better car. I need to grind 3 million today. Okay, so here are the cars. To be honest, I feel like the Bugatti Veyron is a good car to choose from. It has a really good top speed, but the handling is mid. Anyways, let's buy it. Now I'ma fully max it out. Alright, now I'm done. Let's take it on the races. Around the map race. I just grinded 1.9 million. If I sell my car, it would give me 1.1 million. And now have 3 million. Anyways, that's all for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like these. Have a nice day.